your computer system will slow down once you have multiple apps, multiple programs running in the background, and some of these can be annoying. So in this video, I want to give you some tips you need to follow so that you disable all these apps that runs on background, thereby improve the performance of your computer. All you have to do is to watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to improve the performance of your computer. The first thing you have to do for me is to combine these two keys, Windows plus R key. It brings to this interface. Now here type in msconfig, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, it comes out like this. Then you have a lot of options here. Go ahead and click on this service button. Now that I've clicked on service button, you have a lot of program that runs from background here. But here you have to be very careful not to disable any Microsoft Corporation programs, because if that happens, it might affect your computer from performing very well. Now what you need to do is to tap on this button to check it and take away all the Microsoft program on this platform and Microsoft services. You have a lot of them here. So now you can come over to this place and disable this. Once you click on disable, then this particular set of programs will not run again in the background of the device. This will also improve your device to run perfectly and save batteries. Then you can as well take your time and see what you can do here. Like this one now, Brave, I want to disable Brave. Like this one, Brave, and this Brave, they are browser I don't normally use. Then Claude AI, I want to disable this Claude. Then it's taking much of my battery. You can as well take your time and disable some of these things, like this password management SDK. You can disable it, but guys, this is very good one. So once you tap and delete all this one, then tap on apply, go ahead and click on save button or OK button. Once you click on OK button, it's going to bring you to this interface. Restart now or exit without restart. If you exit without restart, it means when else you restart your device, the changes you take is going to take effect. That's a very good one. Now let's proceed. The next thing you have to do is to combine the two keys again to open or to explore the run command. So tap on Windows plus R key. It brings to this interface. Now here, enter this command, services.mxc. Hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you have yourself at this place. Now I would like you to listen very well and follow simple instruction as I guide you in this place. The first thing you have to look at here is what we call connected user experience. So let's locate and click on connected user experience. Here is it. Then right click on this button. Then click on properties. Once you click on properties, it comes out like this. Then here, click on this startup button at the arrow here. Click on it. Then click on disable. Click on apply. Then click on OK. That has been completed. Now at the same place, locate diagnostic policy services. This button as well, right click on it, property, then automatic here, click on it, then disable it, apply, OK. Now locate window error report services. Right click on window error report services, click on property. Here tap on it, then tap on disable, apply, and OK. After that, locate and click on window search. Here's window search. Right click on it, property. Here click on it, disable, apply, OK. Now locate and click on window biometrics services. Right click on it, property. Then here manual, click on this, disable, apply, OK. The last button is what we call program compatibility assistance services. Locate that button and do the same thing. Here right click on it, property. Then here click on that, disable, apply, OK. Now that I've done all these things, make sure you start your device. That is when the setup you have just enabled will be effective on your device. Once you are able to do all this, then your computer will run very fast, because most of this app that runs on background of the device has been disabled. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. and I will see you soon guys on my next video.